Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking my videos. Today I'm going to share with you the way I'm growing my Bulbophylum hybrid, Bulbophylum species. This is a Bulbophylum hybrid Medusa. So you can see the way I cut. I keep 2 or 3 bulbs together, then I just cut away. You can see I keep the 3 bulbs together. So you can cut your orchid also. You can see 3 bulb, 2 bulb, even 1 bulb also can. You can see, yeah, I split into 2. So this one I just leave it there, so it will grow again. So then I will cut. So you can get wood, moss, and wire for tie. So the moss you select, and this one you take the moss just like wet moss, not the dry moss. It will just like moisture. So the moss you put on top the wood, then you get the plants, you keep on top the moss, then you just tie with anywhere. You can use anything, the cable wire, just tie every part, not so tight, as long as the plant can hang. So please remember, the moss should be wet, because once you plant it, you don't need to water until 2-3 days. If your Bulbophylum, if you plants with the moss hanging, you have to water every day. If shiny day, if no rain. Winter season, you can see the way I mount my Bulbophylum. So winter season, you don't need to water every day. You can water every alternate day. I will show you another one. You can see the way I put moss on top of the wood. Yeah, all the moss is moisture, and I got the Bulbophylum. Just now you saw I split Bulbophylum. I keep the 3 bulbs here, 2 leaves, and leaves doesn't matter. You can cut away the leaves also if you want. The special is, you can see the way you can see the stapler. As long as it can hang, you don't need to tie. If this stapler for those people are very lazy, don't have enough time to grow orchids, or don't want to spend time for the plants, so you can stapler with the plants. If you have enough time, you can tie more. So I hope the video can help you to grow your orchid. Actually, Bulbophylum is like a very beautiful, it's like an antique jewelry. It's all the flower is like antique jewelry. It's very beautiful. And mostly Bulbophylum, Lion King, Medusa, they are very free flowering. So another one, I will teach you. Sorry, not to teach. I'm just sharing with you because I'm not a master. I'm just growing my orchid. Sorry. So the way I add. Yes. It's not so difficult. It's easy to grow. It's easy. Just try at your home. If if you want to know anything, you can comment on my channel. Then I will upload a video about your problem, about the solution. So it's a plant already, just hang, just about the direct sunlight and water every day, because hanging orchids, hanging Bulbophylum, if any hanging with the moss, they never stack the water, never hold the water just drop down, because pot sometimes don't have enough drainage water, they don't have enough place to drainage the water. You can see the way I stapler, you can see I don't need to tie, because I just this way actually is like for those lazy people. Also can grow like this, also can grow, because once its stapler hang stuck with the wood, then after few days root will stuck with that wood, so you don't need to worry that it will drop down or whatever. No, it will never happen. So just stapler like that, so you just mount. Then if you want, you can tie also if you want, because actually I like to tie because it's more secure, and the stapler is easy to get rusty and can spoil easily. So if you have enough time, so please tie the plants with the moss. Just see the way I put on top the hook. Just look at that. I'll show you different way to grow your Bulbophylum. You can see a stapler here. Yeah. So I hope you can grow your orchid. This one I don't tie, just stapler. Stapler also can, but this stapler for those lazy people. If you don't have enough time, you can stapler, you can. So you can grow your orchid Bulbophylum with the pot also. I will upload another video. So see you soon. Bulbophylum next video on the pot. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Take care.